Alrighty, time for a 3-for-1 tonight. We have 3 items here from Pathfinder, sold by Survival Gear Canada. They are 3 separate items, but they are designed to work as one cohesive unit. As such, let's start with the bottle. 64-ounce stainless steel Pathfinder bottle, plastic lid with the silicone liner similar to the canteen. Second component, 48-ounce nesting cup. Has holes to hang, wire handles, graduations inside, and a small lid. Well, small lid. Fits appropriately, allows beam and steam to vent and steam to get out. And the 2 of these are designed to nest all together. Which takes me to what is arguably the star of this show, the Gen 3 bottle bag, again from Pathfinder. Quite a high-grade polyester material this time. You can see I put a roll of tape to give an idea of what some of the straps can do. This is designed to accept all up to and including this bottle with nesting cup, etc. I'm going to be using this to make a sort of a 10-piece / survival kit. When I get that done, I'll make a separate video, but overall, I'm quite impressed with how well this bag is designed and built. The stitching quality is very good. The material quality itself is very good. The straps, excellent. Plastic fitting, so no real risk of spark, but they do seem quite sturdy enough to take quite a bit of a beating before they would let go. Overall, fairly impressive bag, so I'm going to build this up into a kit and I will make a separate video. But overall, for the 3 units, quite a good, well, for Canadian pricing, pretty good. The bottle bag was $58. The 48-ounce nesting cup was $50, and the 64-ounce bottle was $65. So $150, $160, something like that. Overall, fairly decent stuff. I'm itching to get this out in the bush and really play with it. But the next video I will do will be sort of detailing what I have as a 10-piece kit. That'll be up shortly.